We're about to check out the Dana floor plan by Ramar Homes, listed just under $540,000 for a brand new turnkey detached home. You're going to want to stick around. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time tuning in, I'm John Murray, a realtor with Keller Williams Select Realty here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Now, what I do on my channel is I visit all the new developments going up around and outside the city of Halifax, and I give new construction full walkthroughs to hopefully build a catalog of all the floor plans of all the builders for you to see. If you're interested in this or thinking about moving, buying, or selling anywhere in the area, do me a huge favor, hit the subscribe, like, and notification buttons to make sure you stay up to date with everything that's happening in all these new communities. Before we go in to check out this Dana floor plan by Ramar Homes, I want to let you know a little bit where I'm at. I'm out in the community of Devon, which is about 30 minutes from downtown Halifax. We're 10 minutes off of exit 5A of the 102. So 5A is the exit right before the airport. So we're just 10 minutes insulated from the main highway. It's a brand new community. The first residents are actually moving in next week. This home behind me is listed just under $540,000. So honestly, for a detached turnkey home, brand new construction, these do not come around very often. So if you're okay with a little bit of travel from the city, this could be a great fit. If you're a first-time home buyer in particular, this could be a tremendous value. You're gonna wanna check with your mortgage rep about possible GST rebates because of the new C4 bill. Anyway, again, I don't represent any of these builders on my channel. I hope you enjoy the home tour and we're gonna go take a look. All right, so let's go in and check out this Dana floor plan by Ramar Homes. We have a 3-bed, 3-bath home with a single car garage. It's 1,570 square feet. We're sitting on a 1.99 acre lot right now where we're at, and it is priced at $539,900, so a great deal for a new construction home. Perfect for first-time home buyers, actually. So your septic risers are over to the right of this home, and your well is over on the other side. There's your well cap. All right, so we're gonna go, let's go in the front entryway today. See how this sets up. So again, if it's your first time tuning into my channel, I'm John Murray, a realtor here around the city, and I do these to provide value to you. So if you don't have a realtor, feel free to reach out. I help people like you every week and would love to discuss whether you're selling a home, buying a home, or just want to look at new construction. So here on the entryway, nice tile and a coat closet, which I love in new split entry homes when they put these closets in, because you need them, because your front entryway can get pretty cluttered if not. So if you don't know the split models, these are splits because they split up and down. We're gonna go check out downstairs first. I believe we have laminate flooring throughout, but these stairs do look like an engineered hardwood to me. So you're gonna open up right away into your rec room space here. It's great for a family room, TV room, whatever you want to use it for. Throw the kids down here, let them play. But nice, good size. Now, to the left here is your 3rd bedroom. So this has 2 bedrooms up, 1 down. This would be the bedroom here. I've already got the closet open for us, so you don't have to watch me open closet doors. This will be a fairly quick tour today, but I want to give you time to look through. There is your bathroom downstairs. Got a nice shower here. Nice tile work. Quartz on the sink. Quartz countertops. And a separate linen closet. Again, this is April 2nd, 2026, and we are not far from the Halifax airport today. That's where we're looking at this home. So because of the location, obviously there's a good chance if you are looking at for this build, it might be more expensive the closer you get into the city. But where we're at is a pretty decent drive, only 30 minutes to downtown and a great value. So this is your single car garage. I'm gonna hop out quickly. Your set tub, and your utility room's tucked here. Your air exchanger, your hot water tank, and everything for your well. Your panel will be behind there. Okay, be a 200 amp. And your understairs storage here, so you do have some storage space. Now, as we go back up to the main level, let's check it out. So you've got your heat pump here. Again, your heat pumps, they're great for efficiency. They're gonna cool your place in the summer, keep it warm in the winter, along with your baseboard heating there. So your living room / dining room and kitchen, all open concept. Just give you a look out there. So we're actually on Maverick Lane in Devon is where we're at today. But again, we're focusing on the model. This one does have the appliances included. I believe it's a Samsung package. It is. Okay, nice quartz countertops. You could put a little kitchen island here as well and fit a table here for your dining space. It's your back deck. So I can pop out for a second. I can. Door swinging open. It's a little windy today. I'm just glad the snow is gone here at the beginning of April. We've had a terrible winter this winter. So yeah, anyway, nice kitchen, nice space. Like I said, for the price point, this is a great little home. It's so hard to get new construction for this price. So you're gonna have your laundry up in the closet here. Tucked away. I'm standing in the main bath at the moment. So I'm just going to back up into the main area just for a second for you. So again, obviously there's your laundry closet there, your main bath, linen closet at the end, bedroom 2 on the left, primary on the right. You can look at your main bathroom. This will be your only bathtub in the house, so you do have a full bathroom here. Shower tub combo, the same matching quartz countertop on your sink, the white shaker cabinets, your linen closet here at the end of the hallway. Good size. You have bedroom number 2 here. Again, this is laminate flooring. If you missed that earlier, your attic access is going to be in this room. I'm just going to close the door to give you an idea. This is a good sized room. Again, that indent's there because of the closet in the entryway. Closet for this bedroom. And they've got a baseboard heater in here. And it looks out to the front of the house. Now right across the hallway is the primary bedroom, which would be in the back of the property. Okay, the back of the house. Take a walk in. So I'm gonna stand in the ensuite for a second so you can get an idea of how this lays out. So So your closet kind of indents there a little bit for a little bit of extra space. Nice big windows. You can see there's another property there, but you're going to have tree coverage, so privacy, but close enough if there's an emergency. You're not alone out here anyway. So yeah, here's your closet and your ensuite bath. So you've got a stand-up shower and matching countertop on your vanity. Yeah, and that's it. So for $539,000. Brand new home, turnkey by Ramar, and Ramar is a great builder and they're great with follow-up if you have any issues. So do me a huge favor, if you've made it this far, please let me know what you think in the comments. It helps get YouTube to push these videos out to more people that would have value from this. And as always, I'll see you on the next tour, and please reach out with any questions you might have.